Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can have Snapchat suggesting people places you like to tag or mention. Since some people be wanting to recommend best and good places to their friends, yet they would sometimes forget doing so. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can have Snapchat automatically suggest your friends the places you like to tag. And yes, it's all done automatically. So to do that, let's start by opening Snapchat. And now that it's open, simply click on this upper button. So now that it's open, you can see that we have so many options to choose from. So simply click on this settings button on top. And now that it's open, you can see even more multiple options to choose from. So to have Snapchat automatically recommend places you like tagging, simply slide down on this section which says Account Actions. And now as you can see we have all these tools to choose from. So simply click here on Places. And now as you can see we have these tools to work with. So simply come on this section which says Use places I've tagged in my story or favorited you recommend places to friends, and then come and turn this button next to it on. So from now on you can rest assured knowing that places you like tagging will be recommended to your friends. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.